Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be how to make a chicken biryani, and this video and this recipe is made by my mom, and I'm really happy to share with you how my mom actually made this recipe. So first she adds some ghee into the pan, and then she adds some oil. The ghee's work is it is going to give a nice flavor. And now she adds some onions. These are onions, like my mom always cut the onions and put it in the fridge, so whenever she goes to cook it is easy that it's ready. So now she's going to stir the onions good. Now she's going to add some garlic and ginger paste, and also she's going to add some elachi. So she's now adding biryani masala. You can find in the anywhere in a shop, so it calls biryani masala. So she add it here. And now she's gonna add all the chicken. So this is, she cut all the chickens like in a roast piece kind of thing. No, not a roast piece, but the normal piece, because roast piece is going to be very big, so in biryani they didn't put like that. And it will going to sit for, like, now it's going to cook. So first she's going to cook the chicken, and now she is adding some salt. And she is also going to add some milk. Whenever you make some roast or biryani, you always have to add some milk or yogurt kind of thing, because otherwise it is not going to look good. And this is yogurt. Also she adds cashew nut paste. Without nuts, the chicken roast is not going to taste good. Also biryani, you always have to add cashew nut paste. So she also adds some lemon, and now she adds some chilies. The chicken looks almost ready kind of thing, like it looks kind of ready but not fully ready yet. So you have to always see, like after 10 to 15 minutes you have to come and see what is the condition of your chicken. This is how you, like we usually do when you cook. So it is almost ready. We are there, guys. I'm so bad in cooking. My mom is the best cook in the world, and she always loves to cook. Like I never find her, whenever she have to cook, she never feels like, okay, it's a burden or something, like why I have to cook, we can eat leftovers. Of course we eat leftovers, but still she just loves to cook. So now it's ready, and she's going to took all the chicken out, and she's not going to take the sauce, like chicken sauce. but she is taking all the chicken out because now she's going to add rice, pulao rice in there. You can see that she's now going to put all the pulao rice, and she's going to add, like, mix very well with the chicken sauce. It looks great already, even it is not ready yet. And now she's going to add some water as usual. So it's boiled water. You have to add boiled water. It looks kind of ready. So now she's going to add all the chickens and let it sit about 15 minutes maybe. So now she's going to put this in tawa, and in the last moment you have to put it in the tawa, so the steam will actually cook all of the chicken and rice. It's actually art. I'm not good at it. And now she's decorate it with some presta. It's onion presta. And this is the final look, guys. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope this video is helping you. So show me love and see you in the next video, guys. Bye.